everybody, my name is Angela from VCC, Vancouver Community College. So VCC, Vancouver Community College is located in the heart of Vancouver. We have two campuses that are inside of the city of Vancouver, which are very close to SkyTrain stations. So it's very easy for you to get to school from your home. We have a lot of programs that lead to careers. So if you study with us, there are many programs that allow you to work part-time during your studies, work full-time during your scheduled breaks, and also after your graduation, many programs will allow you to apply for a post-graduation work permit. For example, if you're interested in learning about how to fix cars, we have some automotive programs and heavy mechanical technology programs. We also have some health sciences programs if you want to become a health professional. We have graphic design program if you are a very artistic person. We have some cybersecurity and also global supply chain management programs if you're interested in making a difference in the world of IT as well as global supply chain in transportation. I just mentioned that we have a lot of great programs that lead to careers. We also have a lot of instructors and staff that are helping our students get a great job. So choose VCC will be one of your best options. VCC has been working with Pacific Premier for many years, and a lot of their students actually get scholarships at VCC. So if you're interested in studying at VCC or in Vancouver, please talk to Pacific Premier to get started. Don't wait.